What's up, guys? Welcome to Cool Tool Tuesday. Today I got an awesome product that I want to share with you guys. It's made by Wiha, and this thing is a lifesaver in tight spots. So you guys come take a look, because this is one you're going to want to add to your collection. Alright guys, what I have here is the most awesomest baby tool that you guys will ever own. This thing is going to help you out in super tight spots. I use this a lot. This thing is held up unbelievably. I've had this for a little over a year. I've took it on many service calls, and anytime we do dash work, as you're fixing to see in a video clip, you'll see why one of these is such an awesome addition to your toolbox. This is the Wiha part number 74996. It's 35 pieces of awesomeness in one metal storage case. The cool part about it is this little baby ratchet has the knurling on the back, so you can turn it in super tight places, as you see in this video that I'm going to show you. When it's, you know, to that point where when it gets to the point where the screws kind of too tight to pull with your fingers, but too loose for the gear to grab it, this thing makes short work out of that because of that feature right there. Or you can hold it while you still ratchet it. It just works out great. So let me show you where we used this today on a truck taking out a body control module. All right guys, we're working on a Peterbilt. I think it's a 384, but anyway, we got to get this ECU out, which is the cab control module, and it's got in each corner Phillips head screws. You cannot get this bottom one out unless you have one of these awesome cool gizmos like this. And this is a Wiha tool that is a cool, awesome tool. We're going to show you how well this thing works in super tight spots.
You getting it though? Oh yeah. Well, I can get it with my fingers now. Ow. Yeah, buddy.
On the back side of this, it's got this knurling, as you can see, that you can turn it. So, like when it's loose like that, you can hold it with your thumb and still ratchet. And there you go. There's the elusive cab control screw that we needed to get out.
Let me see that. I'm going to use it. Get the other ones.
There you go, guys. That's it in use, and it shows how awesome that tool really is. All right, this is a 72 tooth ratchet. I know the compressor is going, so hopefully you guys can hear the clicking on it. Super fine teeth in this ratchet. And there's 34 bits total that comes with it. You can see the one that goes in your 1/4-inch driver or drill is locking, so you pull it back and a bit comes out. Like this is a T27. You just push it in there and it locks. To remove it, you pull the collar back, pop it right out, change out your bits, and you're good to go. It comes with Torx bits, hex bits, a good selection of hex bits, some square bits. That's a 1/4-inch socket adapter. Look how tiny this is. It's a Phillips head 0. That's a tiny little booger, but it's got a 0, 1, of course, number 2 Phillips, and number 3. 2 different flat heads, and I don't know what size this little baby is, but it's tiny, tiny, tiny. A 1.5 millimeter hex. But anyway, great selection of bits. You just cannot ask for a little kit to be no smaller than this. I mean, when it's small enough that you can stick it in your pocket and roll on, it's a good way to go. Guys, if you're interested in this kit, I'm telling you, this thing is well worth the money. If you're doing any kind of interior work, or we've had to use it before on some Peterbilt trucks inside of the mirrors, a lot of places these things have really saved our butts. Our buddies at KC Tool has given me a special link. If you will look down below in the description, it'll take you to their website. One click and you can purchase this tool. They run different sales on these at different times, so they may be on sale at the time of this video. But as of today, you can see they're always offering the free shipping over $50. So it's hard to beat KC Tools. They have some awesome tools. If you guys haven't seen the Wiha video that I did showing those screwdrivers, I'll put a card up here at the top. Those are some top-notch screwdrivers. All right, guys, that's my video this week. Hopefully, you'll go pick up one of these awesome tools from KC Tools. You guys are not going to regret it. Thanks for watching this video. Links down in the description. If you like it, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. You guys have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time.